Hey YouTube, today I'll be showing you my Nerf gun. I have no idea what it's called. If you do know, please put it in the comments. And I'm showing you its mod. I put CPVC in here and then just wrapped it in duct tape so it would fit in here and shoot stock darts because I didn't have any megas and I just got it from my friend today. And I'm making it for him because he doesn't know that I did this yet. So right now I'll be firing a streamline in it. Fits nice and snug in there. And then you just gotta prime it back. Do that real quick. I'll shoot over there. And that was kind of a fail because I don't have my tripod or anything with me. So, because my mom and dad are upstairs. So they're just watching a TV show and I don't want that in the way. There we go. Found a better spot. Now I'll shoot this. Hit the wall. Now I'll go get my other. Load it up. It's a whistler dart. Okay. All the way. Yeah. I'll show you where all the darts landed. Streamline bounced off of there. Sticky bounced off of there. Whistler bounced off of one of those blocks. So yeah, this is my modified whatever this is called Nerf gun. So yeah, comment, rate, well, comment, like, and subscribe, and please tell me what this is called. I really want to know. And then, so yeah, see you YouTube.